guys, today let's restart. Hi guys, it's me, Faith Jessie here. Today, I'm going to show you my slime collection, even my new slime. So yeah, this is my first slime. Sorry if I move the camera. This is sky blue morning. So yeah. On the next video, I am going to show you my satisfying ASMR. And by the way, and after that, I'm not going to make a slime smoothie. I'm going to make a video of Roblox again. And also, I made this slime the other day. So yeah, it's my second slime, lime green. These are just made up names. So yeah, see, these are just made up names. They had an idea to do it. It also pokes well. So let's see if you guys can see. It stretches well. It pops well. It's very tiny. Next up, it's jiggly slime. I love jiggly slime because it just pokes well. It just poke. I'm just gonna bring up some music. I'm really scared, guys. No, not that. It's okay though. So, if something's moving, just let me know. Next up is the water slime. It's very giant. I made this slime the other day when my mom and dad made it. This is from Mom and Dad Make Slime for the very first time. I love it so much. They made it for me. So yeah, it stretches so well. It pokes so well. Look at that move.
Why does it look like a frog to me for some reason? It's like a squishy. They have most of these squishies in Tokyo World. Oh. Were you looking at the same one? Yeah.
This is the foam iceberg slime. I like the top because the top because it's so foamy. Sorry if my eye is so black. Oh no.
What's this? Oh, that is so cute. It's so soft.
So oh no. So I'm gonna get it out now. And at the bottom, can you see? It says slime. This is so weird. There's slime.
Is this the crackling one? Or what do you call them? The snap one?
This is so big.
I like it. We don't have that.
Oh no, I think it's gonna messy.
That's the rice, no? Oh wait, it's
Sorry, just like noises up there. I just earlier.
because of what? Okay, what else? Well, I'm gonna just scratch that one. Because it doesn't need some Oh, we should have this. Where would we have that? I guess some. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm gonna They had so many keychains, I think, of these little cute animals. All
Okay,
these
I'm gonna put this
keychains. Are
away
these
now.
keychains? No, they have more. They're so cute.
And one more is another jiggly
They're so cute.
fluffy slime.
Store.
The other one was
You know what? Be patient. We'll look around.
jiggly slime, which was not jiggly fluffy slime.
They are so adorable.
Okay, now the grand finale.
Is this a hamster? That's so cute.
One, I got two, I got three, I got four, I got five, I got six slimes.
It's not silicone?
So
Okay.
I vote this on
Oh my god.
the squishing thing 9 and 1, and a Pokemon Park 2.
Oh, could you tell me?
The one finger poking is 3. So 1 point, 2 points, 3 points. The stretching, the bubbling
It is.
is 2.3.5 points.
Maybe just once. Yeah.
On this one,
Yeah?
I vote for 10 out of, the stretching part is 1.
This goes all the way.
The squishing part is 2. The poking part is 3. So 1 point, and then 2 points, and then 3 points.
It's a chinchilla.
So yeah, I give this a 10.
So cute. It's a chinchilla.
And then this one,
It is really cute. Relax.
I give this a 1 out of 2 out of 3 out of 4. It pokes so well, and it squishes well, it stretches well. So it gives it 9 out of 10. This one, 10, 10. 0 out of 10. And this one, I give it a 100. It feels like nothing. It's like butter slime. Oh.
That is adorable.
So yeah, I give it a 100.
Oh, he's so
It's so thick. And this one, I give it a 10.
Everything is cute here.
10 only. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!